Favorite part?
Okay,
Okay.
So it was created by me, the guy, Matt Ball, Kevin Torres, and the other guy, Matt Ball, Mamadou, saying it's his Sama, with help from the one guy called Edgar, and the gal, the legend, which was just an inside joke, not Ball. Yeah. Game description. Is it one duck? Yes. Do you have mini clicks? Yes. Prepare yourself for single duck hunt, or what the name suggests, it's one duck. Favorite part? Duck. Challenge, react. That's about it.
All right.
Duck.
So it seems like you are hinting here that this is just your MVP, but I think it's going to be a pretty good MVP. All right, so we got the duck hunt, and it's a one-player game, so I can start without anybody.
Right.
Okay. Oh yeah. See, 1 of 1 users. See, this is pretty cool. Okay, so 1 of 1 users. All right, so I'm playing it. Okay, cool. What do? I have to click the duck, right?
Yes.
More ducks come. Look. Oh no.
Well,
I'm
usually
guessing
in
he
duck
meant
hunt,
like.
there's many
Yeah, there's
games
multiple.
or many
Oh, I
ducks
see.
coming from all
well,
sides.
obviously, I'm not very good at this. Okay.
Uh-oh.
So I see that my score is going up, which is cool. I'm not running out of bullets, which is good because I don't know if you can tell that I'm definitely clicking multiple times per duck.
That was a feature, but I guess ran out of
That's
time.
okay. This is a pretty good MVP,
It looks really good.
right?
Duck.
I like
That's
the
it.
duck
One
flaps.
duck.
You even got the duck's flat. That's
Animations.
The duck.
Yes.
Oh no. Okay, and the duck comes at a different spot every time, right?
It's random.
Okay,
Right.
it's random.
We used math.random for that.
Okay. This is pretty cool. I see. So a future extension would be multiple ducks at the same time, and then I would lose because I am not very good at
Right.
it. All right. And you said,
Hey, you got 21 points, so
yeah.
you're doing pretty good.
Okay, but this is where we're at, where I can just play this game forever.
Yeah.
What happens if I miss the duck?
It'll be gone.
I'm gonna let the next duck go and see what happens.
No, bye.
Like this.
Save the duck. Stop killing the duck.
And you killed it. You let it disappear to nothing.
Oh wait,
It's in the
Mr.
pink.
Duck.
It's in the pink. Yeah, so I actually talked to Ed last week, and he said one of the bugs with this right now, this MVP, is now the computer thinks the duck is still going in the pink, and it just so another duck doesn't come. So that's kind of how the game ends. But I feel like I did pretty well with 29, and I'm pretty impressed. And I also think that this is very good for an MVP. Any questions about Duck Hunt? I like it.
Duck.
Okay, but if you had one more class, what's the next thing you would add? What do you think is the most important thing that you would add next?
Me?
Yeah.
I was gonna add music.
But what about ending the game? You would add music before ending the game?
It's all about the ambience and feeling good while playing the game.
Kevin is more interested in keeping the players playing than actually letting them go.
Yeah,
I'll never let them go.
Yeah, music so that every time
the game is endless,
since
the game is endless, he wants to make their experience as best as possible. So he's gonna add music.
That's why there's no bullet limit, no nothing.
Yeah, I'm pretty impressed.
Can you talk about one of the React concepts you used to build this game?
Wait, I'm sorry. Can you repeat that?
Can you talk about one of the React concepts that you used to build this game?
Like why I found it challenging and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, let me pull up the code. I guess the animation was weird and stuff. And me and Edgar, we did a lot of positioning with images, and we used sprites. And that's my first time ever doing that.
Did you put the animation in the React, or did you put the animation in the CSS?
Yeah, CSS.
Okay. For the React though, how many different components did you all have for this?
1, 2, 3. Oh, I have 5, but I think we only ended up using like 4. Because we're gonna have a title screen and a scoreboard, but I guess we just didn't get to
Right.
that.
Oh, right. I think Edgar also said there's an ending screen somewhere that doesn't show up because you have to add.
Oh, right, because it never ends.
And then how would you create extra ducks?
More sprites. We have a sprite function. I guess we just add more of them.
Cool.
The thing is, I think we would just have to we would have to make them put together, because when we put more sprites, they have like the same timer because it's on a timer for them to move. And so if you click one of them, the other one also moves. So like there could be 5 ducks, but you click one of them, they'll all move.
Oh,
Or
they'll
like
all
pretend
disappear
like they're
then.
being clicked.
I see. Very cool.